Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Solana is actually starting to break out already of this weekly falling wedge, and as long as we hold this, I feel like Solana will start to range, find equilibrium balance, and then we start to reverse once we get a catalyst like the Clarity Act. I think Solana's probably gonna follow Bitcoin and Ethereum once we bottom this year, and I think it's pretty close. Last cycles, some of the alts were actually bottom first than Bitcoin, so this is very pretty interesting to see how this is gonna play out, and are we really gonna break above the $300 resistance from the previous, this is 2 cycles already, by the way. So this was the top first cycle, second cycle, and I want to really see if we can get above it and break out higher. Now I know this is not gonna be like in the short term. This will probably take 2 to 3 years of move, just like what happened here. But if you see this vertical, it happened pretty fast, this move. But this one, like the chop zone, and this one, the ugly one, took a long time, and everyone like gave up on during these times. But the devs kept pushing, deploying a lot of updates, and the reversal was just very immaculate. So this time around, we are starting to break out of this key resistance from the all-time high. Honestly, I feel like once we get back or just get above the range here, like something like this, something like that, and then it would probably start to creep up, and then we might get accepted inside this range. So DCA is still king. I do have orders below. I have orders around, my $60 order was already filled right here. So I do have some orders around 50, 45, and then 40 up to here, this level. So I have buy orders up to 30. And if this doesn't hold, we get like a catalyst, like a black swan. This is gonna be a nice position, and then you wait for 3 years, and then you cash out, hopefully at $500 this time. So yeah, not much to say. Thank you boys for watching. Again, if you've been liking my videos so far, please subscribe, and I have some links below, bunch of giveaways. So yeah, thank you boys for watching. See you guys on the next one.